Two more word problems. A physician needs to prescribe a drug to a 25-pound patient. The dosage guideline is to administer 25 milligrams of the drug per 1.0 times 10 to the second pounds of body weight. How many milligrams of the drug should be prescribed per dose? How many milligrams? That is what we're after. That's what I wanted. Our data. We have a 225-pound patient, and the guideline is 25 milligrams of the drug per 1.0 times 10 to the second pounds. This ratio we want to write as an equivalency. That 25 milligrams is equal to 1.0 times 10 to the second pounds. Our 225 pounds is the standalone number. We'll make that our starting point. We'll set up our equivalency to cancel out pounds. And that 1.0 times 10 to the second pounds is the same as 25 milligrams of drug. Pounds divided by pounds. We wind up with 56.25 milligrams. 3 sig figs, 2 sig figs, 2 sig figs. Our answer should only have 2 sig figs. So 65 milligrams. Next, density of iron is 7.86 grams per cubic centimeter. How many cubic centimeters would 42.53 grams of iron occupy? How many cubic centimeters? So what's our data? 7.86 grams per cubic centimeter and 52.43 grams of iron. So let's write a ratio as an equivalency of 7.86 grams is equal to 1 cubic centimeter. This is going to be our conversion factor. And this will be our starting point since it's a number by itself, not a ratio. So 52.43 grams. We're going to set up our conversion factor to cancel out grams. So 7.86 grams, same as 1 cubic centimeter. Grams divided by grams cancels. Gives us cubic centimeters, correct unit. And on my calculator I get 6.67048 cubic centimeters. So I got my right unit. Ballpark 6.67 cubic centimeters could well be a correct answer, but I need to get the right number of significant figures. In my given, I had 4 sig figs. In my density, this is a measured quantity, and so this 7.86 grams has 3 sig figs. So my answer can only go out to 3 significant figures. So 6.67 cubic centimeters will be the right answer.